Welcome to English Made Easy. In today's lesson, we will learn about the prepositions. But first, what are prepositions? Prepositions are words that shows like time, place, and direction. Let's talk about the prepositions of place. Prepositions of place shows where something is. For example, a cat is on the chair. The sofa is next to the lamp. The table is in front of the chair. Did you know that there are common prepositions of place? Let me tell you. Listen and repeat the words that I'll be telling. Behind, between, above, in front of, next to, under, on, in. I'll show you how to use the common prepositions through these examples. The cat is behind the box. The camera is under the table. There is a book under the bed. The cat is between the two boxes. The TV is in front of the sofa. The plate is on the table. The pencil is in the bag. The book is next to the vase. Now, let's practice. I'll be showing you some pictures and tell me which preposition should we use in the sentences. The bird is blank the house. Very good. It's above. The plate is blank the fork and the spoon. Good job. It's between. The tree is blank to the house. Good job. It's next to. There is a cat blank the box. Great job. It's in. The picture is blank the wall. Very good. It's on. Okay, now let's have a fun activity. This time, I want you to write your answers on a paper and let's check your scores after the activity. Are you ready? Number 1. The book is blank the table. Number 2. The phone is blank to the book. Number 3. The cat is blank the bed. Number 4. The bird is blank the tree. Number 5. The car is blank the house. Number 6. The TV is blank the lamp and the table. Number 7. The paper is blank the bag. Number 8. The lamp is blank the sofa. Number 9. The coffee table is blank of the sofa. Number 10. The bag is blank the bed. Now, are you ready to know your scores? Let's check your work. Number 1. The book is on the table. Number 2. The phone is next to the book. Number 3. The cat is under the bed. Number 4. The bird is above the tree. Number 5. The car is next to the house. Number 6. The TV is between the lamp and the table. Number 7. The paper is in the bag. Number 8. The lamp is behind the sofa. Number 9. The coffee table is in front of the sofa. Number 10. The bag is under the bed. So, how many scores did you get? Comment on your score in the comment section. Okay, so that brings us to the end of today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed our topic. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more grammar tips and language lessons. Until next time, keep learning and keep improving. Happy grammaring! English Made Easy also prepared a questionnaire to test if you understood our lesson today. You can check it out in the description box. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And for you to be updated on our latest videos, click the notification bell down below.